All right, everyone, we're going to jump onto Canva. We're going to go into Create. We're going to press Presentation. And we are going to press Upload Files. We're going to click Google Drive. We're going to find our classes folder right here, 5th grade collage. And here we'll have our photo that we took from the previous class of our physical collage, and we are going to add to design. And here we go. And we can adjust it. We can really do anything. So next I'm going to show how to add more elements, digital elements, to our collage. So it is really easy. We're gonna press elements right here, and we can search and we can literally add anything. So for example, let's say we wanna do some ocean waves, and we're gonna press maybe something like this. It's really up to you. Let's say I want it right there. Okay. And then let's see, what else would I maybe want to add? Maybe I want to add some birds. And again, we're just going to go ahead and choose whatever is available to us. Let's say we want some nice colorful birds over here. And let's say we want one more thing. Let's go for some flowers. Why not? And again, you can really add anything that you wish. It's just showing you how to look up anything. You can add anything in. And then I'm going to demonstrate some layering. For example, we see here that we have quite a lot of elements. So where is it? For example, we're going to press on something, one of the chosen things that we have. Anyone works fine. And then over here we see the icon layers, and then you see these are all of our elements that we have. And so at the bottom is what's going to be in our background, and the more up top you go, there it is, the more up front it is. So for example, let's say I wanted these waves to actually be behind the collage that I made. There it is. We can do that. Let's say I want my birds to be behind, so now I'm hiding two of the birds, and so forth. For now, let's just stick with our collage over here. That works fine. And then how about showing some transparency? So for example, you click an icon, one of your elements. Let's stick with these waves. We're going to press transparency, and with this slider, whoop, there it disappeared. There it's halfway there, and there it's at its fullest color. So let's say I wanted to just be a little transparent so you can see the stuff behind. You can do all types of different things. Another thing that we can do is crop or rotate or resize our images. So for example, like this, we can extend it. For example, that one, like our image that we inserted, we can crop it. So we can press all types, and it'll show you like, oh, what's inside the box here, that's what's going to be shown. You can just stick to its original crop. Let's just say I just want to crop it a little. Let's say I just want to focus on the little toilet here. Like I'd rather have focus on that, and then boom. So same with everything else. But yeah, usually if we want to crop something, that's where we'll go. And then let's say I want to insert text to this. We're going to press text. And here you can see a lot of options. For example, add a heading, add a subheading, a little body of text. That's usually if we're going to be doing presentations. But today we're doing a collage. So we're just going to go in here and add a text box. And we're just going to add something here. So let's say I want to say ocean meets sky. It can really be anything. So we see here, and then we can quite literally move it, put it anywhere. We can even change the font. Let's say I want it to be this. Okay, yeah, let's highlight all of our things. Oh, let's say finger paint, like something like that. You can change the size, the font size, so now it's really big. And then we can move it here. If you press that, then that'll make the text box bigger. Let's see what else we can do. For example, here, so that's centered. You can move things, all types of different things around. Our spacing, so our letter spacing, look at that. Our letters, do that between our lines. So there's a lot of different things we can do. So let's just say we want that there for now. And then what's another thing we can do? For example, like the color of one of the elements you put. You can change the color of that as well. Let's say I want, matter of fact, let's say we want our color of this element to match that same color of another element that we have. Let's say I want them to be exactly that pink. There we go. With our color drop thing, we pick it. And it should be that. And then boom. So that is just a quick demo of all the different tools you can use.